But I also, when I think back of the things that helped me progress, back to your question, I have a tendency to go down rabbit holes, Joe. But I tried to not wait to, and this was my advice when I became country manager to other people within the company that wanted to progress, was not wait to get the job offer or the title to start doing the job, or B, acting like you in that job, right?
Okay.
So let's use a sales manager as an example. What does a sales manager do? They lead teams. They try and bring new ideas to the table. They try and lead national initiatives. They're trying to create a good culture within the team. There's nothing stopping you being waiting to be told what to do, or looking for new opportunities, or bringing new ideas to the table that could collectively help everyone, not just yourself or your local area. Sort of acting the part before you are actually the part, right?
Yeah.
Those types of things can go a long way, and it doesn't go unseen. I'm sure any other leader in any other organization that you're a part of would say the same thing, that stuff does get noticed, that you are going above and beyond the rest. And that's what I
Yeah.
try to do, is say, well, how do I become the best against my peers at the time? And then again, how do I become the best against my peers at the time? And it's not just necessarily hitting a higher sales target. It's being more involved. And, that team player comment gets thrown around a lot, but, team player is not just fitting in. It's fitting in with the local team, but it's fitting in with the company values and the company culture and things that are higher than you as well, right? So